BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a dog. Circle your hand. Wonderful. Hi, let's draw the nose. You did well. And now let's paint the dog yellow. You're doing well. What a cute dog we got. Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel.